Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial video. So in today's video we are going to look at how we can push a code to GitHub from a terminal. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create a new repository here. So this is my GitHub. So first you have to make sure you log into your GitHub first. Then we have to go to new. So we go to new, then we go to repository. So first I have to give the repository a name. So let me give the repository a name like maybe car website. So I'm naming my repository a car website. So you have the description, which is optional here as well. So you are going to leave it for now. But if you want to put the description there, that's up to you. Then we also have choose visibility. So I prefer this to be private. So I'm changing this to private. And I also add the readme file. I also ignore this, so I'll just go ahead and create a repository. So now the repository is now created, car website is created. So now we are going to push a new code here. So first we'll go to our file explorer, the code you want to push. So first let me just create a new folder here. So I'll just name this car website here too. So inside this, I'll just create some new files here. So let me just create a new file like index dot maybe HTML. Then I'll just create another file too as well. So this will be style the CSS as well. So I'm going to try to push these two files to GitHub. So it's even easier here because GitHub has even given us some of the commands here that we can use here. So first we start with git init. So we'll come here. So I'm going to open git bash right here. So open git bash here. So let me zoom out. So let me make this bigger so you can see more. So we need to initialize our repository here. So we do that using git init first. So it will initialize our repository here. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to stage all our files here. So to do that we use git add. So we are adding everything. So we just use git add dot. So this will stage all the files. So if you come here, you can see we already have everything right here. The command is given to you here. This is pushing a new repository. So git commit. So we are going to commit all our changes. So git commit -m. Then our commit message. So we can say first commit as our commit message as well. So now you can see it says two files changes, and we have the two files here, which is index and style.css. So it's now adding these two files to your GitHub for you. So now it has staged all these two files we created, and it has committed them. But GitHub will not recognize this commit until we push them. So you have to push these changes to GitHub for GitHub to know that okay, there are some new files that we've added to this repository. So we want to use git branch. So you can see this is on the master branch here. So if we want to push it to the git branch main, so we can say git branch. The command is there. If you want, you can copy and just paste. So git branch main. So you can now see the branch has been switched to master branch. If you prefer the master branch, you can keep it like that and push it. So you can see now the branch has now been switched from master to main. So now that's it. So we are going to what? Use git remote add command here. So I'm just going to paste this right here. So we just right click and paste. So it has pushed this. So we finally use what? Git push. So I'll just paste this here. So this should now push my code there. So if I should do ls, you can see it says what? Two new files has been pushed to main, which is what? Index.html and start.css. So if I should come here and refresh, you see that we have our new files committed to what? This right here. So this is how we push code to what? GitHub from what? Our terminal. So if this video is helpful, don't forget to what? Like this video, also subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching this video. See you in another video.